In this video, we're given w is x squared plus y over x is 6u minus v plus 1, and y is 6u plus 2v minus 2. Let's find the partial of w with respect to v at u and v equal to 0. Now, we want to draw this diagram to figure out the formula. So why don't we start off with w. W, we know, depends on x and y. And then x and y depend on u and v. So if I'm looking at the partial w with respect to v, I'm going to go down the path of x to get to v and then y to get to v. So we start off with partial w with respect to x times partial x with respect to v plus partial w with respect to y times the partial y with respect to v. So that's this formula down here. Now we want to compute the partial derivatives. So let's start with w. W is x squared plus y over x. When we take the partial with respect to x, we get 2x minus y over x squared. And we take the partial with respect to y, that's just 1 over x. Next, we want to look at partial of x with respect to v and partial of y with respect to v. Since x is 6u minus v plus 1, the partial of x with respect to v is negative 1. Y is 6u plus 2v minus 2. The partial of y with respect to v is 2. Before we can plug it into this equation, let's evaluate this at u and v equal to 0. So starting off with x. X is 6 times 0 minus 0 plus 1, which is 1. And then y is 6 times 0 plus 2 times 0 minus 2, and that's negative 2. So the partial of w with respect to x turns into just 4. And the partial of w with respect to y turns into 1. So I should also write down this. So that was 2x minus y over x squared for this one. And then for the partial w with respect to y, that was 1 over x. So the x value is 1. Y is negative 2. So then you just plug it in to both of these guys. So that's what we have here. 4 and 1. And then we just plug it in and get negative 2 as our final answer.